Hey guys, so in today's episode of Bad into Fab, I am turning this horribly disorganized shelving unit into a beautiful wonderland of organization. Stay tuned. Alright, so for my organization plan for my stackers, I got a couple different size boxes. They are from Big Lots, so these ones were $12 each. They're a decent size. And then the other ones I got are these cute little circle ones that have the same pattern, and these ones were actually on clearance for $10. So I have a couple baskets to hide some of the junk that we don't want to see, and then we will take this stuff off and organize it. Okay, so now that I have the gist of my stuff in the buckets, I'm going to now put some pizzazz, like ba bam bam bam, so that way it looks artsy and not just baskets. Alrighty, so for my decorations, I found a K and an E that actually light up. So these are me and my husband's initials, so we're gonna put them in our master bathroom. On top of that, I just found like cute little plants. Doesn't say how much it is or where I got it, so I'm gonna assume probably Marshall's, Ross, something like that. So let's put them on. Alright guys, there you go. With a couple baskets and some really cute little knickknacks and decoration, your now storage area can look clean and tidy. Thank you so much for watching this small storage tutorial, and I hope you like, subscribe, and continue watching. Thanks again.